Hey friends, if you wish to add a home button to Microsoft Edge browser in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So open Microsoft Edge and we don't have any home button here, but if you wish to add it, then click on these three dots at the top right corner and select settings from the menu. Go to the appearance tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down to the customize toolbar section, and there is one more section, which buttons to show on the toolbar, and then you can turn on the switch for the home button. Okay, now see what happens. This is the home button, right? I will switch it off, it goes away. I'll switch it on, it comes back. Can you see that? And you can also set a button URL for it if you wish to use a specific URL, but usually by default it will be a new tab. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.